This circuit says that the current I through the inductance is I0 is 6, so initially it's 6 ampere. The voltage Vt is 0. So what is the shape of what is the expression of VOT? VOT is the voltage drop across here, so this one and this one. So we have to look at the current. The current is an inductive current, so inductance will not let the current become 0 instantly. It will try to hold the current. So the current will be an exponential decay current. It will be the transient current, and of course the voltage will also be transient. So let's look at the current here. There won't be any steady state current because there is no source afterwards. This current will pass this way and then it will decay to 0. So current will be, let's say, I0, which is the initial current, and then e to the power minus t over tau. Now I0 is already given, that is 6, and e to the power minus t over tau. Tau will be, of course, L over R. L is 1/4 and R is the series resistance, which is 4. So this one is becoming 1. Tau is becoming 1. We can get from there. So this is the expression of the current, which is exponentially decaying. Now we need to find the expression of voltage, which is not only across the inductance but across the resistance as well. So this one, first we need to find the voltage across the inductance. So we know voltage across inductance is given by L di dt. So we have L here. Let's write L, and we need to differentiate this expression, which is 6 e to the power t. So let me just write it here, 6 e to the power minus t. So it's becoming, 6 will come ahead, so 6 into 1/4. I am putting the value of L, and because of this negative, e to the power minus t will be the same, but that negative coefficient will come ahead, so it will become 3 over 2 e to the power minus t. That is the voltage across the inductance. This should be, let's write it VL, because this is not VO, this is VL, which is the voltage across inductance, just here, VL. Now we need to find the total voltage, which of course will be VO, will be VL plus VR if we will. Now VR will be just I into R, and I is given as 6 e to the power minus t times R. R is here 3 ohms, so that will be 3 here, so that will be 18 e to the power minus t. So our total voltage will be, VO will be 3 over 2 e to the power minus t plus 18 e to the power minus t. 18 e to the power minus t. The full voltage will exponentially decay to a 0, so it will be, we can just add them, so whatever, 3 over 2 plus 18 is 19.5, 1.5, 18, 19.5, hopefully that's correct, but I'm just, yeah, so that's the voltage there, and it will exponentially decay to 0 because there is no source, and the voltage is coming because the inductance is trying to hold the current for a while, and how long will it take will of course depend on the ratio L over R.